Let's get this show on the road.
All right, I'm ready to go. If the cops are.
We need our space. Yeah.
Well,
We got LeahBee.
Order! Is everybody present and ready?
devil spirits.
That's all good.
In the court,
You
have a
figured it
seat.
I need everyone to take a
The
seat.
defendant is ready, Your Honor.
Wait, we need the spotlights on.
Where are the cops?
Madam, is this your lawyer? Or am I your
I'll
lawyer?
get them on the
or
way.
is it both?
You're the lawyer. You're the
Bonjour.
Are you sure?
We offer a taxi
you were
service
here.
if you need
Both
meow.
be the lawyers.
Oh yeah, there we
Is
go.
that
there we go.
legal?
Let's do 2 lawyers.
You can't beat our prices, meow.
Hey, can you turn on the spotlight for us, fella?
Yeah, we need the spotlights
Can you turn on the
on.
spotlight? Hey, fella.
All right, one of the police need to turn it on. SpaceBoy, are you in trouble
Yeah,
again?
exactly.
God damn it. All right.
You got water there?
All right.
I don't know.
If everybody's ready, in order to do this court session, I'm going to lay down some new rules right here, okay? First and foremost, we will now allow jury participation in an effort to make sure that every member of the jury also is a part of the session and not just sitting there silently and appeasing their fan bases, okay? Plus, they got a lot more clout than most of y'all half the time, so we would like to hear from them. This clout is what matters in this courtroom, this here people's courtroom. So every member of the jury will get one question throughout the proceeding. That's number one. Number two, if you have an objection, either of the lawyers need to state what the objection is so I can sustain it or overrule it. If I say overrule, that means that the person gets to keep talking and cross-examining the witness and whatnot. Lastly, always try to talk one person at a time so we can hear one another, no whispering or such in the background. And I think there's going to be auto turrets at the next court session if you want to pull your weapons out next time around. It's not going to happen. All right?
We?
I don't know who did that,
Yeah.
but let's keep that to a minimum. Okay.
There's no blood god people here this time. Yeah.
All right. Am I clear on the court details, the case details? Here is LeahBee v. SpaceBoy. What is the details of the dispute? Can someone give me the details of the dispute real quick before we get started with either party?
Oui.
Actually, you know what? Go ahead,
Bonjour.
Celine. You can start explaining what's going on.
Bonjour, Your Honor, the jury, and the audience. Today, we are here because Monsieur SpaceBoy has chainsawed Madame my client, Leah, and I believe she is entitled to damages in the amount of 1 horse.
Wait,
Thank
wait,
you.
wait, wait, wait.
Oui?
Ask for more than that, more than that.
And 1 horse. Sorry, I did not finish my sentence. 1 horse and 200 scrap. Is that good?
Yeah, buddy.
Put something,
Is that
put
enough?
something for my husband too. Get something for my husband too.
And 100 scrap for her husband because she is chainsawed and he has damages because she is chainsawed. Oui.
So 300 scrap total.
Emotional damages. Oui. Oui.
300 scrap total.
And 1 horse.
And a horse for damages conducted by Officer SpaceBoy here. Did I get that correctly? Okay, Omrecker, if you'd like to start your opening statements, we can continue.
All right. So today, ladies and gentlemen, and jury, and Honorable Judge Hank Pecker, I will prove to you that LeahBee here is a serial scammer and subjected herself to her own injuries, not just once that day, but twice.
Objection!
Alright.
Irrelevant!
Objection overruled.
What's your objection?
Continue.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Objection.
So, LeahBee here not only ran into a chainsaw by Officer SpaceBoy, but she did so after purposely running into a truck. But she found herself.
I missed.
What is happening back there? Order in the court.
Put in your arm, lawyer.
Oh my God!
You're what is
From the car.
Officers, put that man in contempt of court. Whoever is throwing the
was the
spares.
lawyer.
Sorry,
Well,
my
Molly, you
client's
can handle that if you
husband is
want.
very
It's all you.
emotionally damaged, as you can see, because of the chainsaw incident. Thank you.
As I was saying, Your Honor, she ran into a truck, but until she realized there was a juicier target with a bigger budget, we had Officer SpaceBoy and the whole police department and their full budget available to compensate her. She focused entirely on SpaceBoy. You notice she did not file a case against the truck that hit her because they don't have the money to pay. This was a scam. That's all I have to say for right now, Your Honor.
All right. Celine, do you want any opening statements now that you described the court case already, or do you want to bring witnesses to the stand?
I will take the stand. I saw what happened. I saw it all. Wait, where's the stand?
The stand is right here to your to your right. There you go. Do you swear to tell the truth and nothing but the truth, so help you God, LeahBee?
And Archbishop Will. Yeah.
Of course, yes, of course, of course. Now listen, who was this who was accusing me of being run over by a truck? Bring him out here in front of me so I can look at him.
That's you.
I wanna look him in the eye.
Me. And me. It was both of us. You want to look both of us in the eye?
Just
We-
look
we
at
should-
him,
we
the
should
one who
bring
was
it-
telling lies.
bring- the
Okay, you can't.
witnesses.
The witness cannot bring up other witnesses to the
The witness is
stand.
trying to do her own questioning.
You can't be doing your own questioning, LeahBee.
I need to look at his eyes.
Okay, we
Okay,
can't.
whatever. Listen.
This is like
Madam?
Among Us.
Celine, you want to
I'm
come up
going
here and
to
start
your lawyer,
examining your
Michael.
witness?
Didn't we hit her with the
Oui,
truck?
oui,
I'm
oui.
about to
Sorry.
reveal everything, okay?
Go
Just
ahead.
Wait.
Bonjour,
The truck which hit me was none other than the
Madame.
truck
Wait for the fucking question,
Celine
please.
LaCroix!
Okay.
It
One
was
question
her
at a time,
truck.
please. Madame, please state your name to the audience.
Leah?
And Madame Leah, what happened on the evening of January 11th, 2021, outside of the fruit store?
Well, there was this horse on the road. Somehow,
Oui?
it was sort of like, it was an elaborate trap, so the first thing that happened was the horse threw me up on its back, okay? I was scrambling, I was flailing everywhere trying to get off the horse. Then your car ran into the horse and me. But there was someone behind the car pushing it. The car may have belonged to Celine, but she was not to blame.
Very true.
yeah.
And is this not why
And
you
that
did
guy
not
fucking
press
cut me with a chainsaw.
charges? Oui, sorry. One question at a time. So you did not
Oh,
press
sorry.
charges because it was not my fault, correct?
That's correct. It's still not known to this
Oh,
day
mon
who
Dieu.
was pushing the car.
Hey.
Quite the mystery.
Objection!
Mhm.
Court.
Oui?
Her attorney, her counsel, is acting as a witness
Oui?
and asking leading
Say to my
questions,
fucking
Your
face.
Honorable. I will say it to your face, you cannot be both her counsel and a witness.
This is a
Okay,
unique.
let me
This
go
is a
again.
unique
So why
case.
didn't you?
I will admit this is the case. This case in particular is rather unique. There's grenades also popping off in the background. Someone should probably deal with that. But I'll allow it on this one for this particular case as it maximizes the content.
Thank you, monsieur.
All right.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Otherwise, it would be a
Alright,
mistrial.
So, Madame Leah, what happened when Monsieur SpaceBoy chainsawed you in your stomach?
Disgusting.
Well, what do you think happened?
Can I get some of that? meow?
Was there any
We should
bleeding?
ask the man who saw it all. Oh,
Oh,
there was
shit.
bleeding. I'm sure the blood
Oui.
is still
He will
on
be next.
Patty's market.
Little kitties.
How
always
much
have
blood you would say?
I can't even eat anymore. If I eat food, it falls right out of the hole in my stomach.
So you're saying you are permanently debilitated because of what happened?
Permanently, yes.
That is very sad. I am so
boy.
sorry, madam.
Let the
Alright,
record show
no
there's
further
permanent damage.
questions.
Home record, would you like to wait, Leah? Stay.
I get to ask
Leah,
counter
stay right
questions.
there. You're Leah. Stay at the stand for some cross-examination, please. Go ahead, Home Wrecker. You can continue to cross-examine the witness.
Go ahead and examine all you want.
All right, Leah. So you are implying that on that day, the truck got pushed into you. The engine wasn't even running, you're saying, right? It got pushed into you and your horse?
Objection.
That's correct, yeah.
Relevancy.
Overruled. Continue
Yeah,
with the
that is
questioning.
kind of irrelevant now that I think about it.
All right, Leah. Again, are you saying that that truck was pushed into you, the engine was not running?
Yeah, what about it?
Okay. Follow. Tell me this. Did your horse get injured as well? Did your horse die? Did you fall off of it? What happened?
So, the horse was not actually mine. It was the horse belonging to Officer Space Cowboy.
So you stole the officer.
As you can see, he
the
orchestrated
officer's
the
horse?
entire thing from start to finish, including the horse.
You're saying he set you up to steal a horse?
Yeah. Fuck.
Okay. So his horse got injured. But what the hell was that? His horse was
Order.
injured due to your actions.
Put the weapon
then-
down.
What?
Put the spare
You
down.
dismounted the horse willingly, right?
Objection. Badgering the witness. Very good.
Overruled. He's
I'm
asking
feeling
regular.
badgered.
He's
I'm
asking
feeling really
regular
badgered
questions.
right now.
Thank
I'm
you.
feeling extremely bad.
Your
Nah, he's being a
Honor,
little-
the tone is very rude. She's in pain, monsieur.
He's
Please
kinda-
Where
get
did the
back to
witness
stand,
go?
LeahBee, please. This is your...
True.
The witness is hiding currently.
All right, witness LeahBee, please.
Okay, LeahBee, please
Is
answer the
it
question.
okay to answer a couple more questions as long as you don't feel badgered? This is the only opportunity you have to defend yourself.
Yes. Please try to take.
Please
my
continue.
phone.
Wait, please try to what? Okay. Anyway, so did you dismount the horse willingly, or did you get thrown off by that truck?
I was chopped off the horse.
Chopped off. So you're saying he ran up to you on the horse and chainsawed you?
I've been caused too much distress to remember all of these details. I would ask for you
Oh,
to
sad, so
re-ask
sad.
this question to one of our other witnesses. This is kind of
Okay.
egregious to be asking me all of this.
Okay. So you hear that, Your Honor, and jury. She is not willing to answer the questions at this time. We're gonna have to rely off witness
All right,
statements.
this is an unreliable witness. You can
Putting
bring in
words in her mouth.
you can bring in further witnesses, please.
Objection.
We should move this
Oui.
along.
All right, that's all, Your Honor. Thank you. Counsel, would you like to
Okay.
call your next witness?
Oui, Your Honor, our next witness is Monsieur Paddy Maz.
Her husband. The fuck is... Oh, God. Are you allowed to be here? Aren't you a little biased?
All right,
No, I'm on the jury. I just
go ahead,
just not
Celine.
glad that Nobody was in here.
Bonjour, Monsieur Padimaz.
I won't say anything.
Howdy,
Could you
howdy.
please state your name and occupation to the jury?
Yeah, my name's Patty, and I'm on the Patty's Market down at F14.
And
Mhm.
oui, is your market in front of where the supposed conflict occurred?
Yes, ma'am.
Could you please tell us what you saw during January 11th, 2021 in the evening between my client, Madame Leah, the Honorable and great and very sweet, and I like your voice, and Monsieur SpaceBoy, the man who changed the unheard we.
Well, listen, I'll be honest. I didn't see quite a lot. I was out back.
It's my
supplying
fault. It's
all
on
the
my
vending
end.
machines. I heard a bunch of commotion going out. These two out here. I heard a car hit a horse, someone steal a horse, people yelling, running, screaming. I'm just trying to run my business. Bunch of
Oui,
hoo-ha.
and when you came out after, did you see that my client, Madame Leah, was
I can't
all
relog right
bloody?
now.
Did you
I did, yes.
Objection leading the witness, by the way.
Objection
What do
overruled.
you
If I may
mean?
add, Your Honor, I
Objection
even had a
overruled.
little bit of that blood on my
As
sleeves.
the jury member, I
may
get
even
a
see it.
question, don't I?
You do. Go ahead.
I get a question as a jury member, don't I?
Go ahead.
Hey, my question is, she stole a horse. What are we even doing? I've killed people for looking at my van. I'm ready to vote. She's guilty as hell.
All right, jury, keep your
guilty
deliberations
as
to the
hell.
end of the court
We have
case.
one jury member. We have one.
Let the strike
Question.
the jury
Question.
members.
Go, jury members, you ready to vote? She's guilty as hell.
Order! Strike the jury members' statement from the court records, please. You need to keep your decision to the end unless I declare it a mistrial.
Yeah, keep it shut.
All right, I'll keep it to the end, but I already decided she's guilty as hell.
All right.
I'll shoot you in
Permission
the
to
throat
make a
if you go guilty.
statement pertaining to the plaintiff's counsel, Your Honor.
Go ahead.
Let it be known to the entire court that the plaintiff's counsel was wanted by the police no later than 72 hours ago for wanton attack and brazen assault on police officers. I happen to have it on good authority that she has a vendetta against the police department, Your Honor.
Objection!
Guilty as hell. I knew it.
All right. Well,
Objection number 2. It has been longer than 72 hours because the hours in the game are shorter than the hours outside of the game.
What game are you talking about?
That's
you
true.
Think this is a
That's
game?
true.
You think a court
What
case is a
game
game?
is
Thank you.
This is a game.
For goodness
We ain't
sake.
playing no game. This is
You
live.
think this is a game? You think this is a game? What's wrong with you?
Shut the hell up.
Order.
Shut up.
Order.
Shut up,
Order.
Jerry.
Order in the
I'll
court.
shoot every single. I will shoot every single one of you.
Hey.
I will shoot you.
I'll take you with me, baby.
Hey,
I'll
Bumblebee
take you
Man,
with me.
sit down.
We're both going to hell.
All right, I'm good.
I understand that this is
Okay,
quite the
can I please
emotional
continue my
predicament
line
for
of
you.
I
questioning?
need to speak with my lawyer. Lawyer, will you please meet in the back?
Okay, court in recess. Court in recess. Go ahead. I need to relog anyway. My audio is scuffed.
Jesus.
I think we're doing okay. I think we're doing all right. We
Okay.
got one jury
Yeah, I think we
member.
got this. I think
Oh,
we really got this.
This is some
Yeah, I think
bullshit.
the jury's on our side.
And a thing.
OOC Andy? I don't know why the audio is so fucking broken all the time. Small idea, do this before a court case? Pog, dude! That's crazy! It's not like I literally relogged before the court. Pog. It's a total fucking bug that's out of my control, dude. Thanks. Here's a pog for you. You're fucking banned. Let's go, dude. Let's fucking go, dude. Small idea by Pepemon. How many month subscriber is he? Hey, also, fuck your prediction, bitch. Now you're fucking banned. Okay, I can't ban him. Can one of the moderators ban him, please? Oh, never mind. All right, he's banned now. Thank you.
See, court's still.
All right. I took a little nap right there when the court was in recess. What happened? Did everybody leave?
Everyone's gone.
Okay.
No.
Well,
Court's in recess. They're all standing outside. They're just standing outside.
Oh, they're having a.
Yeah.
Fucked up and bombs are going off.
Oh, fuck. Oh, you're gonna get
Yeah. And it's so fucked up. This whole shit's fucked up. And I'll miss you.
And now the blood god wants you back.
okay.
Court's unjust. Can we get along in this rust?
Oh,
Too many theater kids in one fucking server.
Beautiful.
All right, we're now ready to go back. Court is now in order. Court is now in session.
Is court back in session?
Neither was the judge. Who are you talking to?
Hey!
It's like they don't
Hey,
even
get
care.
your ass
Your
back
Honor,
in
do I
court.
need to return?
All right, I had to take a quick nap and let the witnesses, let the defendants talk to one another in their own respective counsels. Now I'm ready to go back. If everyone else is here, we may
Do we have all
return.
of the jury present?
Let's vote. Let's vote on this motherfucker. I got people to convert.
Will, you sound like a...
We're not ready.
Hey, can you sit down right?
Archbishop Will, are you feeling all right?
I'm sorry about it. Whoa! Oh, I've been drinking a
This
little.
chair
I'm
is so
sorry.
empty now.
Why does it have to say mount when we sit down in a chair? I just don't like that.
All right. All right. Court is back in session to hear the case. To hear the case between Leah versus SpaceBoy on one count of emotional distress, one count of potential horse thievery, and permanent damages to her bowels. You may now continue your examination on the witness here, Celine.
Thank you. Okay, to pick up where we left off. So, you said that when you saw my client, was she bleeding?
Yes, ma'am. She was.
How much?
Look, I can't say the exact amount, but it's quite a bit. You can even see remaining on my sleeve, so went straight to help her.
Oh mon Dieu, so crazy. Did she say anything when you went to help her?
Dude, his accent's so good.
Look, she was just basically screaming out, help, help, someone hit me. That was about it.
Very interesting. Thank you so much for your testimony. No more questions.
Patty
Merci.
here is a good man.
Why is the witness approaching the stand again?
Patty, you cannot
Patty,
leave.
wait.
I get to
Patty,
cross-examine you.
I was
sir.
going to take a quick bathroom. Oh, my bad.
Hey.
I'm cutting you in on
Excuse
the
me.
segment,
Excuse
Patty.
me.
Okay,
the
order.
plaintiff is
Why are
badgering
you
the
up here?
witness.
Why are you up here?
I'm not badgering. This
confused
is
why
my
she's
bro.
jumping.
He gave me a first aid kit. What did you do?
Whoa.
Why you just
What's
stand
happening
up
up
here
here?
and lie?
The
There's
jury is
collusion right
confused.
now between this witness.
All right,
Guys,
order. One witness on the stand.
Somebody feed
please.
my husband.
Hey,
What are
Judge,
you
got
doing
some-
here?
I need some food.
Okay, I don't have any
My
food on me. I'm
starts
sorry.
during this this court case.
What
I'm
are-
taking
Get outta
Monsieur,
here.
I have food. Monsieur.
Here you go.
Yeah,
There's
you
some
go.
pumpkins
Yeah.
for you. Go
Yeah.
sit down.
It's court. He's a kangaroo. It's a wallaby.
Is this court or is this daycare?
This court is a wallaby.
Okay.
Excuse me.
All right, we need to speed up this process. Fuck it. Listen to me. Listen. Order. Listen. Do your final statements, please. It seems like it's getting a little hot and heavy in here. No one wants to cooperate.
He's guilty as hell.
So let's just move this process
we're wrapping
along.
up this case.
Shoot you in the goddamn head.
Let's move this process along before I declare it a mistrial.
Monsieur,
Witness,
I
you
need
may
to
now
start.
leave the stand.
What?
All right.
Okay. Umrecker, you may start with your final. You may start with your final statement. You may now address the jury.
All right. Jury. All right, listen. Okay, I would like to point out. Did you listen to that witness statement? He said that she got hit. She was bleeding from getting hit by the truck. All right, a chainsaw doesn't hit you. A chainsaw tears you up. He said hit when he talked about the damages to her. All right. Also, she was in the commission of a crime. She stole a horse from a police officer, the same officer that protects us in these lands, okay? And this officer, yes, and this officer was wholly innocent in trying to not only protect his property, but also bring the peace with the chainsaw that she purposely ran into so she could try to steal scrap from the police department.
Put Officer Spaceman on the stand.
We wanted to, but the judge told
We're
us we
speeding
gotta
this
wrap it up.
process along in an effort to make sure that we can finish one court case without bedlam. Please, Leah, this is for your own good. Okay, please get back to your chair. All right, Celine, would you like to deliver final statements?
Also, we
Of
would like to
course.
countersue for 300 scrap.
Nobody asked. Monsieur, Your Honor, the audience and the jury. I will only speak to you about the facts, not the made-up bullshit that the defendant is saying. Okay, fact number one. Madame was injured greatly by the chainsaw. You can see the blood and the scar right now, okay? That type of scar cannot be made by being hit by a car, okay? Number two, she was not trying to steal. She got on the horse and she got off the horse. That, ladies and gentlemen, is not stealing. Number three, you cannot trust Monsieur SpaceBoy because he is the police and the police is corrupt. I mean, look at this shit. We got a cop in the jury. That makes no sense.
Seriously,
Again,
who put together-
Monsieur,
who put
Madame,
together this jury?
just
This is an
the
outrage.
facts. I hope that today you will vote with your brains and your hearts and maybe even your genitals, whatever it is. Please let us win. Thank you.
Okay, now she's speaking to me.
All right, court is now in recess for the jury to deliberate. Jury, you can do it here in order to maximize clout and content. You can do it in front of everyone else, but no one gets to talk over you as you talk one person at a time.
Your Honor, meow. I propose that we do it in private, meow.
Okay, sustained. Go ahead. You can do it in private.
Let's go, boys. Meow.
All right.
May the council witness the jury deliberation.
Heathens.
No.
Mr. Hank.
They asked for
I was
privacy.
wondering maybe you could shine my flashlight. I'm a big fan.
Okay, hold on. Before we do that,
I'm a little concerned.
make sure
concerned I
that
lost
I'm
one
just gonna
jury
let this
member
end.
to
I don't-
officers make sure that
I don't really know what's happening today.
Leah or Bonky
Basically,
does
do you
not
think that I
interfere with the
represented
process,
your
and
interests
neither
well
does the
enough?
lawyer.
You did good. You did good, fella.
Yeah, I see you, Celine. Get back
I
here.
know how to control this.
No,
I
I
know
was
how to
going to
control
get
this.
my client, monsieur. I was going to get my client.
Where's your client?
Hank, basically, when you give the verdict,
Go up there, Leah.
when you're about to give the verdict, Hank, just look for any shuffling, any indication that people are gonna, be upset with your verdict, and we just have to act proactively.
Father Seer, you
Nobody
are
can
one
move
of the
during the
few people in this here fine court that has been screaming about heathens and whatnot, looking at pornography, while the court is in
Yeah,
session.
so I like girls that speak in tongues, all right? Maybe I like it, but when I mute it, it's just like normal porn.
You best be. Whoa, what the fuck?
Ah! Ah! Oh, blood guard! Heathens!
I think we got this.
That's what you deserve, Father Seer. You stand in that smoke in judgment, you hear me?
Lose and then cry. Lose
You're
and
lucky
cry
I
and
don't
then-
hold you in contempt of court.
You know, it's funny.
I just don't understand that I didn't even get cross-examined.
You know?
What?
Funny.
No, Patty, put the gun
coming
down.
out.
Police
Relax. Relax.
What was that?
What happened?
Officer SpaceBoy! There's a dead person here.
Order!
Who killed this person?
He's been there for God knows how long.
There's a
They're
dead
not
person
dead,
in
they're
the
not dead,
court.
they're not dead.
What in the heavens? What in the high heavens is happening?
What the fuck?
It's decorative.
Who is it?
They're unlootable.
Was there ever going to be
Are you
order
sure
in
they're
this
dead?
court? Or is it was it just
They're
a
dead.
fantasy? Is it
I-
just a Disney
I
movie?
poked it with my stick. They're definitely dead.
I'm making a final statement before the jury delivers their decision. When they sit down, I'm making a final statement.
Given the unique nature of this case, I'll allow it.
Also, jury, keep in mind, he never got to get up on the stands, nor did his witnesses.
Yes,
This was a
given the
very one-sided
unique
trial.
nature of this case, I will allow Officer SpaceBoy to make one final decision, but that might, one final statement. That might not change the jury's opinion, though. Go ahead. Make one final plea, Officer
Gonna give it my
SpaceBoy.
best. Ladies, gentlemen, bees, cats, protecting this island is a thankless job. I do everything I can to keep you all safe from violence, from people who wish to do you harm. I take your reports. I take care of you. And one person, one bee person who has a history
Objection.
of running in front of things.
Okay.
Overruled.
He's the hard B. He's the hard B.
And make it look as if she is the victim. She has a history.
Why does it matter if she's a B person?
Was wielding my
Yeah, why does that
chainsaw,
matter?
protecting myself from a violent crowd who all had weapons. At which point she lunged at me and lunged into my chainsaw as she lunged into her own lawyer's moving vehicle. She's a scam artist. She's trying to take the state's money. And I beg and plead of you all, including her husband, who I have no fucking clue how he got on the jury. I beg of you to see through it. I'm a police, and I just want to keep you safe.
I think he's
Can't do this to the
prejudiced
police
against
department, guys. Come on.
And if anybody fucks around here, shit's gonna get
the
real
police.
fucking serious.
No, Space Boy,
Sit down, Officer
Do not
SpaceBoy.
threaten the jury.
All right, members of the jury. Members of the jury, have you decided the fate of this, the fate of this case here?
I'm going to be so mad.
Whoever the leading juror is, please approach the stand.
Your Honor, Your
Juror
Honor,
number one has our
meow.
verdict, Your Honor.
We would just go through us one by one
Guilty.
and ask our vote, meow.
Okay. All right. Let's do that. I like that. All right. Members of the jury in single file, please come up and give me your decisions, please.
Me, Meowsician, Meow, Moon Sand, Meow, have found this person guilty.
Wait, which person?
Which person? Space Boy?
Woohoo!
There's only one person on trial, Meow, right? That person is the one I'm talking
That way,
about.
you're
Meow.
guilty.
Okay, officer, you find Officer SpaceBoy guilty of the damages
Wait,
incurred by a chainsaw.
No, wait, hold on.
He's the defendant,
Sorry.
you ding dong.
Okay, you find
Not guilty, Meow.
Please clarify. Give us a second.
Put the gun
Say
down.
the right thing. Say the right thing.
Sir?
Guilty, meow.
Okay, you found Officer SpaceBoy. One guilty. All right, good. Continue. You may now leave the stand. Leah.
Found the officer guilty.
Where's my money?
Next up.
Where's my money?
Your
Next
Honor,
up.
jury number
They're
2
going one by
finds
one.
Officer
Hey,
SpaceBoy not
step
guilty
away.
of all charges.
All right, we got one guilty, one not guilty. Continue.
Get away.
Please stop interrupting the jury. Also, Your Honor,
Your
I would like
Honor.
to point out to you that the counsel has a gun to the defendant's
Your
head.
Honor, the
Holy
police
shit!
appears to be playing a guitar loudly in our faces. Is that not intimidation? I'm intimidated by that.
Monsieur, Your Honor, he has a gun at the jury. What do you think is worse?
Order! I'm sorry. That was for my own protection.
Order. This is turning quite nicely into kangaroo court
my God,
once
is that the
again.
blood
Go
god?
ahead, Sleepy. What is your decision?
Your Honor, I was attacked by SpaceBoy with my own sword, and he stole one of my prized possessions.
Holy shit.
But
Okay,
he's cool. That bitch is
objection.
guilty. Look at her.
Okay, that's 3 not guilty votes for SpaceBoy. Continue.
Ow!
No,
Say
no,
the
no.
right
He was
thing.
saying that
Say
she
the
was
right
guilty,
thing,
Your
you
Honor.
stupid
Yes,
dog.
not guilty for
was saying
SpaceBoy,
that she was
guilty
guilty.
for Leah. 3 guilties
me. I'm
for
not
Leah. Go ahead, Archbishop.
It hurts.
3 guilties for
Alright.
Leah. You hear that,
Guilty
Celine?
of what?
That is some
Listen.
Being sued? Guilty of what?
I initially
Guilty of getting
this lady-
LeahBee,
chainsaw
please
in
have a seat. Please
You
have a
guys
seat.
should be
Please have a seat.
ashamed.
This is intimidation.
Shame.
You should have offered more for the bounty.
How much are they paying you?
Unfortunately, I'm not getting paid anything to do this. I'm doing this for the people, goddammit.
Monsieur, Your Honor, I just want to remind you that you can
I will
overrule
find out
their
how this happened.
decisions.
I'm aware. Go on. Archbishop.
This is some bullshit.
Archbishop, what is your decision?
Well, initially, I thought that this lady was pretty dang guilty of what she did, and Officer SpaceBoy is innocent. But as I listened and her French-talking attorney spoke directly to my genitals, I had a change of heart. And my change of heart led me to believe that I think we should have a horse race to decide who's guilty in this case. That's just me. What the fuck? That's my take.
I like that.
I'll do
I'll
it.
take that into consideration, Archbishop.
Not a bad take.
Yeah. Girl will.
Go ahead. Who's up next?
All right. I say.
Your
that
Honor,
whatever-
let the record show that that's her actual fucking husband.
I'm aware. Go ahead.
Also not a member of the
Three
jury.
of the
All
members
right.
of the jury were cops, okay? Like 3 of these guys are cops.
We
I'm not married to him.
Can we remove her husband from the jury, Your Honor?
Overall, no. We're gonna keep the husband, but I'm keeping an eye on him. Go ahead. What's your decision?
Whatever the vote is, that way she wins that one.
Okay.
Thank you very much
That-
for your duty
all right.
service.
Is anyone else keeping count?
For like 4 votes. I heard that. I don't know what
Madame,
Your Honor.
You gotta
Yeah, it's
remember,
like 4-0.
my vote,
you want to
my
horse
vote counts for 40 votes.
Okay, it's 2-2-1. Or well, I guess.
smoke 'em on a horse.
Go ahead, Autumn.
It was 3. It was 3. It was 3 against
Monsieur,
her,
Your
and then 2.
Honor.
3-2.
Monsieur, Your Honor.
Pressure.
You're gonna
Oh, go
eat
continue.
my dust.
Stop it.
Space
Oh,
boy.
thank you, sorry. I would just
Let
like
her
to say
speak, please.
my
Let her speak.
client
Permit for that guitar.
is willing. My client is willing to accept a horse race in exchange for dropping the charges, and the horse race will decide who wins.
I will take that into consideration. That's just the verdict later, though. Go ahead, Autumn. Continue.
Well, this is a lot of pressure, but I think Officer SpaceBoy is not guilty, Your Honor. Thank you.
There it is.
4-2. 4-2.
That's the people have found Officer SpaceBoy not guilty of using a chainsaw on
We did
Leah.
it, Spaceboy. We did it.
Now, normally,
This is
hold
bullshit.
on now. Hold on now.
Finish. Let's let the judge finish.
Order. Now, normally this would allow Officer SpaceBoy to get away scot-free. But unfortunately, due to the fact that he has a bounty on his own head, and due to the fact that there have been numerous complaints about him, I'm deciding that there should be a horse race regardless to declare the victor.
Oh, okay.
And the victor and the loser will have to deliver one horse to the winner.
Leah, you got this. You got this, madam. You got this.
All right.
Let's do
What
it.
about our countersuit, by the way? Do we get the scrap from the plaintiff?
No countersuit. Go ahead. That's it. Just the horse.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you, Your Honor.
The horse is
Wait,
right
we
here.
need to do the horse race. Oui.
God, Officer SpaceBoy, I knew you'd have it.
SpaceBoy! Yeah, I didn't get a chance to tell you, but I do charge 100 scrap an hour.
Where are you going, Archbishop?
I'm gonna park this bad boy. Why?
Hey, hey, Quill.
Yeah.
Where are you going?
What's up?
Why'd you leave my group?
What? Because you said you weren't gonna be on, you ding dong. Add me.
Oh, so you fucking.
He was found not guilty, chat.
They're killing off the bee people.